If you ever get a paper jam on your Xerox Phaser 3600, there may be a few different places you need to look to see if you can find where the jam is. If the jam is at the tray, you may have to pull the tray out. If there's a crumpled piece of paper in the top here, you may have to remove that. Let's take the tray right out, and if there's any paper trying to feed up into the mechanism here and it's gotten stuck here, you may have to pull a sheet of paper out. That's about it at the tray. Now we have to make sure that when we put the tray back in, we snap it down into place and slide that back into location. If the jam is at the bypass tray, you may have to pull the paper out there. In the top, you may have a paper jam that's actually happened in the mechanism inside. So I'll pull out the toner and drum cartridge, put that aside, and if there's any paper stuck in the paper path here, you may have to remove that. Remember, when you pull the paper out, you need to get the whole sheet. If there's any ripped corners or anything that stay in the machine, that's sure to cause another paper jam. So we'll put the drum and toner cartridge back into place. Close that up. There may be actually times when the paper jam occurs in the duplex module. So we'll need to take the machine, turn it around. In the back here, we have the duplex module. So we can pull that right out. And if there's any paper stuck inside the duplex module here, we may have to pull those out. We may actually find papers here in the mechanism. But we can put this back in and it just slides back into place, and then you're all ready to go. It's possible you may even have a paper jam in the back here, and that would be feeding up through the mechanism to come out on the paper on top. So you'll see if there's any paper here. We'll close that up. We'll turn our printer back around, and we're all ready to go.